In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge in Lucidchart in two different ways depending on what you're working with. If you're using tables, I'll show you how to combine cells into one larger cell. And if you're working with shapes, I'll show you how to group them together so they move as one unit. This is a super useful Lucidchart skill for building cleaner diagrams, better layouts, and more polished visuals faster. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about merging table cells in Lucidchart. This is the option you'll want if you've added a table to your canvas and you need to create a larger header cell or combine adjacent cells into one box. To get started, click on your table so it becomes active. Once the table is selected, click the first cell that you want to merge. Then hold down Shift and click the last cell in the range. This tells Lucidchart that you want to select a continuous rectangular group of cells. After that, look to the right side of your workspace. Lucidchart should open the Advanced Options panel automatically when you're working with the table. In that panel, you'll see the table formatting controls. Find the Merge button and click it. The selected cells will instantly combine into one larger cell. That's it. You can now use that merged cell as a title area, section header, or any other larger table space you need. Now let's move on to merging shapes in Lucidchart. This is a little different because Lucidchart does not physically weld shapes into one new vector shape. Instead, what you do is group the shapes together, which lets you move, resize, and rotate them as a single object. This is the best way to merge multiple shapes for organization and easier editing. To do that, start by selecting the shapes you want to combine. You can either click and drag a selection box around all of them, or hold Shift and click each shape one by one. Once the shapes are highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selection. From the menu that appears, choose Group. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. Once grouped, all of the shapes will sit inside one blue border, which means they are now linked together. You can drag them around the canvas as one item, resize them together, or rotate them together. This is especially helpful when you're building flowcharts, wireframes, mockups, or complex diagrams and want to keep related elements aligned. If you ever need to undo the merge or group later, you can always ungroup the items and edit them separately again. That gives you a lot of flexibility while still keeping your workspace clean and organized. So to quickly recap, if you want to merge cells in a Lucidchart table, select the range, open Advanced Options, and click Merge. If you want to combine shapes, select them and use Group instead. Those are the two main ways to merge in Lucidchart, depending on what you're building. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.